Oh, what a beautiful way to start off a video. All right, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be doing to this fun thing. Ignore my slight mess of the back seat here. I'm gonna be reconditioning these leather seats. Cleaning them, reconditioning them, showing you guys how to do it. Probably be doing the dashboard because there's a lot of leather in this car and I haven't really touched it in a while. I'm gonna be doing all that back there, but you won't see that because if I put the camera out here, it'll get demonetized from showing my butt. So I'm gonna clean these seats, kind of walk you through the process. It's gonna be fun. Ignore my messy race car. Step one, take my harnesses out of their spot. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using as far as products go. Ignore my in-process cleaning of my garage. No, not in there. Okay, this is 1 and 2. We picked these up at Walmart. It's nothing special. Chemical Guys leather conditioner and Jay Leno's leather cleaner. It's just me filling a bucket with water. You'll need it. It's all right. Once you got your bucket of water, get you a dry rag. Dip the rag in here, get it nice and wet. Wring it out, and you're gonna wash over the entire seat and get it nice and damp. You don't want it dripping wet, but nice and damp. Just go ahead, wipe it down. Get all the surface nastiness off of it. Don't mind that. That's just ugly. I'm sorry. Don't mind me. Just getting my seat nice and wet. Move that harness out of the way. You don't want that. Oh gosh. Seat is disgusting. I sit on here. That's weird. Just wipe the whole thing down. All the sides, back. I don't have a camera person today, so I have to do this one-handed. It's all right. I'll make do. And just get her nice and wet. And then we're gonna go get the cleaner, spray it on the rag, spray a little bit on the seat, rub it in real good. And we're gonna reverse the process. Get a damp rag, wipe it off, and get a dry rag and wipe it back down to dry. So I have sprayed the cleaner right there onto my rag and the seat. And now I'm just gonna wipe nice and roughly. Some nice force. I really want to clean it. You really should use an actual brush for this, but I don't have one and I'm lazy. I don't feel like going to the store and buying one. You know how it is. Just fake it till you make it, you know. Scrub your seats down nice and good. Get that soap all over. Mailman's here, that's cool. I like that guy. He's cool, dude. Oh gosh, wipe your whole seat down. Don't forget the sides and the back. You know, get the whole thing there. Get the whole thing. All right, now we're gonna get a dry towel and dry that off. So once you've got a clean one and a damp rag, clean and damp, just like before, we're going to wipe it down, wipe all that soap off of there. It doesn't need to sit on there, ain't no reason for that. So we're gonna wipe all that soap off of there. And then we'll go back over it with a dry one after this. Make sure we have a dry surface to apply our conditioner. Just wipe all that soap off, wipe it all off. There we go. Should be most of it. Oh boy, all right. I'm gonna go get a dry rag. We're gonna wipe it the rest of the way down. Got ourselves a dry rag. We're just gonna do the same thing. Wipe all that water off and get the seat nice and dry. All right, I'm gonna come back with the conditioner and an applicator. And it doesn't take much, real light on the whole thing. And that'll be it, and I'll show you how that works. We're gonna get ourselves here a clean applicator and just put, a small amount, just like that, right on the top there. What I like to do is I'm weird and I like to spread it around a little bit. Get it on there and kind of work it into the sponge a little bit there. There we go. And we take this, we'll go over to the seat. gonna start putting it on. And this little bit should coat the entire seat. Just go up and make sure it's all coated. And if you don't believe it, just feel it. It's gonna feel a little greasy. Promise it's still in there, getting on the leather. Feel the leather, you can tell it's on there. You really don't need a lot of this stuff. Oh, sorry. Really don't need all that much. You can get the whole thing with just a little bit. Just make sure you do actually get the whole thing. And I am going to go do that process to the rest of this car, all of it. Probably gonna wash the mats as well. But that is how you condition leather seats. Hope you guys enjoyed, hope you learned something. There's still a lot on here. I could probably get that next seat done actually. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching and have a good one.